Okay guys, today we are going to learn how to connect to our TryHackMe through the OpenVPN. Okay, so first of all we have to get into our TryHackMe account. So I will open the Firefox. Okay, here I will tryhackme.com. Okay, now I'm going to log in into my account. Okay, it will ask me where is my username and my password. Okay, now I will log in into my account and I will get to the dashboard. Okay, now if I go to, I will click on my icon and I go to the access. You can see that I am not connected. Okay, so if I want to use OpenVPN, I need to download file from the on this page. First of all, you have to choose the server, the VPN server that is close to you, as close to you. So if you're in Europe, we can take the EU and the US, or we can change whatever we want. And then you click on download. Let's make it bigger. Download. Since I already downloaded, I will not download again. Here is my file, michaelu.openvpn. Okay, that is going to my download folder. I already downloaded it, so I won't download it again. Now, after you download it, all you need to do is to go to your terminal window. Okay, I will work in the root directory, so I will make sudo enter my password. Okay, now I am already in download folder, but if you are just entering, you will be in your home folder. Okay, so you need to go to your download folder or move your OpenVPN file to the folder that you want. So I will go to the downloads folder. Okay, and now I have my file, but to use the OpenVPN I need the OpenVPN itself. So all you need to do to install your OpenVPN is by this command, sudo apt get install OpenVPN. Already installed, so you will see there is nothing to install. Okay, but it will install for you. And now I can enter my VPN, my TryHackMe through the OpenVPN. All I need to do is open VPN, okay, and the file and download folder and enter. Okay, now you can see initialization sequence completed. You can go back to your web window. You can go to this refresh. Now you can see I clicked and I refreshed and I connect to the server with initial virtual IP address. This is my virtual IP address. I also can check my IP address. I will open another terminal with Control-Shift-T. Okay, there's another terminal. ifconfig tune 0. Okay, so you can see here is the IP of my server that I connected to the TryHackMe, and now I can solve any room in TryHackMe. Thank you for your thank you for viewing this video. And if you have some questions or maybe some additions, I will add just write in the comments and I will add this video. Thank you and bye bye.